Hello students, welcome back in the session of social science. So today we are going to read about class 7 civics chapter healthcare services in India. Let's start with the introduction part. See, healthcare comprises hospitals, medical devices, clinical trials, outsourcing, telemedicine, medical tourism, health insurance, and medical equipment. All these things are included in healthcare services. The Indian health sector is growing at a brisk pace due to its strengthening coverage, services, and increasing expenditure by public as well private players. So, in a democracy, the government is responsible for the well being of the people. So, therefore, it is also responsible for developing, implementing, and monitoring plans and programs for improving the health of the people, which has large impact on the fitness of the nation. Therefore, it is vital for the government to arrange for medical facilities to care for the protect its citizen from range of ailments. So, first we must know the meaning of health. What is health? Health means to remain free from any kind of sickness or injury, which could be physical or psychological. So, a injury can be physical and can be psychological. So, हमें mentally or physically in both terms we need to fit. Next, we'll talk about the good health in this broader sense encompasses several other factors. So there are few factors that is based on good health. Number one, access to clean drinking water. So it is very necessary to drink clean water to be healthy. You know, a majority of India's population do not have access to clean drinking water. It is fact that 21% of all infectious diseases are waterborne. As a result, a large number of people suffer from diarrhea, jaundice, hepatitis, and cholera, etc. The next factor is pollution-free environment. Wherever we are living, the environment should be pollution-free. Adequate nutrition. You know, most of the children in India do not get sufficient food and suffer from the malnutrition. So, what are the reason behind this? Because they are poor, they are not getting proper food on time, and that's why they are suffering from the many kind of illness and malnutrition also. And for a good and healthy life, we must take nutrition on proper quantity. Nutrition should be not in less quantity or not in the much quantity. It should be a balanced diet. An active stress-free life. Our life should be stress-free. Now we'll talk about the healthcare in India. India has the largest number of medical institutions in the world, from where 15,000 medical experts pass out every year. Since 1950, there has been a considerable increase in the number of healthcare facilities, especially hospitals. From 2,717 hospitals in 1950, it has grown into 22,700 and more than that in 2019. There has been a surge in medical tourism. People from all over the world come to get themselves treated at hospitals which are comparable with the best in the world. India is the fourth largest manufacturer and a leading exporter of medicines in the world. Even after so many years of independence, approximately 5 million people die from the tuberculosis every year. In addition, about 2 million cases malaria are reported every year. So it's a mix up of the report. Like the India has achievement also, but there are few areas where still the full facilities of medical are not available. This is all for the session, students. Thank you so much.